Hello and welcome to BoloSign. Today I will show you how to use BoloSign's new generate pre-fill link feature for forms. It is a quick way to save time and make sure your recipients don't have to fill in repetitive details again and again. Firstly, we'll click on form creation option. Now I will add all the question as per the requirement of my form. I have added all the questions. Now we'll click on settings, and under the basic settings, we'll click on prefill. We'll click on get link, and here you can see you can select all the fields that you want to pre-fill. Please note, currently only text, date and time questions are supported. To request additional field types, please submit a request here. There is a link here, you'll click on it and it will redirect you towards a roadmap, and you can submit a request related to the field which you want to require for your pre-fill option. Now we'll click on this downward arrow and it will show all the fields which are required for your form to be pre-filled previously. Now I will click on email and I will click on date. There you will get an option to add the URL query parameter for the email and the value of the email. I will write user email and I will enter. For instance, I'm like adding my own personal email. For the date, I'll click on date and I will add today's date. Now I will click on generate link, and from here I will copy the link. If I'll open this link in the unique tab, you can see my form has been opened in the new tab along with the pre-fill fields, that is for email and date. So in this way, you can also create a pre-fill link of your form along with the pre-filled fields for your recipients. Now you can send this link to whomever recipient you required along with the pre-filled fields. And that is it. Super easy, right? Now let's talk about why this feature is so important. The generate pre-filling feature is important because it not only saves time for you and your recipient, but also reduces error. By pre-filling key information, you minimize the chances of people entering incorrect or incomplete data. This is especially valuable when you're managing multiple forms for contracts, agreements, or clients onboarding where consistency is key. Thank you.